Hey, welcome back, guys, and today we're on YouTube and on the Roman House Show, and we're watching a funny edited Peppa Pig thing. Let's like it real quick. No, well, yeah, because that one was over videoing. So, all right, guys, you ready? I can't zoom it in because it'll get rid of the camera. All right, let's go. Okay. Me.
The biggest muddy puddle in the world.
Wow.
There's so much rain.
Wayne.
Puddles to jump in tomorrow.
You're gonna have too much fat. Oh, shoot a rat. Wake up. Muddy puddles. Leaf pigs.
What are you doing?
What?
Rain has made a flood.
Our
What?
house is a desert island.
Muddy puddles, here I come.
Oh no.
Put all this water here.
It can no longer drive. Daddy will have to swim to the shops.
Grandpa Pig has arrived.
Sup, pigs?
Ahoy there. Wonderful boating weather. Yes.
We're sailing to the shops. Do you
Oh,
need anything?
exactly.
Yes, please. Can you get us some tomatoes and spaghetti?
Tomatoes and spaghetti?
Polly Parrot copies everything that is said.
Polly could be our shopping list. Is it clever parrot?
Who's a clever parrot? Can we come too, please?
Hop aboard.
Why is there so? Oh my gosh. Peppa, so many desert islands.
Sheep.
Ah! There's this.
We're going to the shops. Do you need anything?
Mummy, do we need anything from the shops? Yes, we need food for dinner. Chocolate, please.
Chocolate.
Hello, Danny. Hello.
People, great weather for it.
Do you need anything from the shops?
Maybe a newspaper.
And a comic?
Newspaper? Comic?
What the heck is that?
A sunroom.
Ahoy there!
He just yells, bro.
It's Grumpy Rabbit in his submarine.
I don't like
Not
Grumpy
the
Rabbit.
day to
He's
go
annoying.
sailing. It's just the sea and the sky. The stories are
Enough, old man.
Do you need any shopping?
Why?
Cheese, please.
Cheese.
Treat.
Grandpa Pig's boat has arrived at the supermarket.
That is the long trip. How many jobs does this lady have? A lot.
You're my first customers. Maybe it's because of the flood. Silly, isn't it? A little bit of rain and everyone stays at home.
What?
Who's a clever parrot? Who's a
Oh dear. Polly has forgotten the list.
Oh.
Luckily, I remember what everyone wants. Cheese.
Thank you, Peppa. You're a good
Newspaper and comic.
thanks, Peppa.
Turt.
It was lucky Peppa was going to the shops, but we'd have nothing for dinner. Here's your chocolates. Now we can have our dinner, Mummy.
Help me. It's only chocolate for dinner.
Peppa and George have arrived back.
It's nighttime.
It is their bedtime.
Spent all day doing that.
It is morning.
What? Oh my.
The water has gone, but left a big muddy puddle.
Oh. Ow.
This is the biggest muddy puddle in the world ever. Everybody in the world can fit in there.
Oh well. Okay. I guess we can watch like maybe something else, like this.
Just try.
Oh my gosh, yo, he's falling. So, what was I supposed to say? What? Bad words?
This is my little
Oh,
brother.
stop turning the He's asleep. I can't find
This is my
that.
Daddy.
This is so funny. What? Peppa Pig, a bad word?
Peppa becomes the high school 98-year-old bully.
What? Get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball. Whoa.
Needs to play too. They can let me play fan.
Causing more drama than education.
Hey.
What a cheeky little one Peppa is.
Pew, pew.
Hey, Axel.
I love this.
Oh, bro, you look stupid. Aw. He didn't carry anything. He didn't carry anything. He didn't start crying. Bully.
Maybe Peppa is teasing George just a bit too much.
What's all the noise?
Don't tell him.
Daddy.
Mum's cheating.
Mom's cheating.
Catch it, George.
What? How did he answer all the math equations? Jump seat.
Whoa. Oh, that's quick. Alright, let's see what. Oh! No, I can't find that one.
Ready to hatch some cool pets.
Not me.
Click here to pick your
Alright, I think this is gonna be the last one, guys, okay? Skip. Jesus, but wait, what?
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This
What?
is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. I just said a bad word. Don't woo.
I hate my job.
Brown Bear is coming to show us an ambulance.
I like ambulances. Ambulances.
You go.
Ambulances. Will the ambulance go? Nina, Nina, Nina.
That's all you care
Thank
about.
you, Freddy. I'm sure it will.
They just-
Here is Dr. Brown Bear.
Hello, Dr. Brown Bear.
Hello, children. Does anybody know what this is called?
an
It's an ambulance.
ambulance.
Ambulance. And who can tell me what it's for?
Taking sick people to the hospital.
What?
That's right.
Can we hear the Nina, Nina sound, please?
Yes. We normally use that only in a real emergency.
Dr. Brown
Like
Bear,
getting daddy for?
can you show us what you would do in a real emergency?
Yes.
Yes, I'll show you. Using this teddy and this ball.
Oh, I love this part.
Oh, yeah.
Teddy was playing football. When,
Football?
See, he tripped over the ball. Somebody calls for the ambulance. Freddie, would you mind making the ambulance noise, please?
Nina, Nina.
I want to be an ambulance.
First thing I do is see if the person is awake. Are you awake? Yes, doctor. Do you know your name? My name is Mr. Teddy.
I was born
Can you
without
tell me
parents.
what happened, Mr. Teddy? I tripped over a football. That's a bit silly,
got a face.
wasn't it? Let's put that football where no one else can trip over it. Now,
You can.
Tell me, Mr. Teddy, which bit hurts? My arm hurts. We just need to bandage that arm up. And because you have been such a brave boy, you get a sticker. And that's how the
He's gonna
ambulance
slip.
works.
He's going to slip on it.
Children, say thank you to Dr. Brown Bear.
Thank you, Dr. Brown Bear.
Thank you,
You're
Dr.
very
Rambo.
welcome. And remember, always look where you're going. Then
Why are you going the wrong way?
Dr. Brown Bear is rolling down the hill.
Oh my. Oh.
He rolled through a prickly bush. He hit a tree. And apples fell on his head.
Oh, my goodness. Call an ambulance.
The ambulance is here.
Oh, yes. Everyone into the ambulance. Don't worry, Dr. Brown Bear. We are here to make you better.
thank you, but I don't think I need your help. I am the doctor, remember?
Yes, but we must do all the checks.
I really don't think this is...
Not another word. Children, what do we do first?
Check he's awake.
Well done, Peppa.
Are you awake, Doctor?
No, I'm dead.
Yes.
Good. He is awake.
This is all very nice of you, but I...
Who knows what to do next?
We asked him his name.
Yes, but in this case it's
What is your name?
Dr. Brown Bear.
Now we ask him what happened.
You saw what happened. I tripped over that ball and fell down the hill.
That was a bit silly now, wasn't it? Which bit is hurting?
Every bit is hurting.
Where is it hurting most?
In my arm, and my leg, and here on my head.
Yeah. Yeah, about 20 kids or so.
Oh my god, she's gonna have so.
Because you have been such a
Yeah.
great doctor, you get
Yeah,
a
so we just
sticker.
got back. I said,
So many stick my bones.
Children, say thank you to Dr. Brown Bear for giving us such a wonderful demonstration of how the ambulance works.
Thank you, Dr. Brown Bear.
Why do they keep saying
My
that?
pleasure.
I despise
Brown
that.
Bear loves
I
ambulances.
don't like this.
Everybody loves ambulances.
Oh, there's more.
This was an absolute monstrosity. Oh my god.
Alright, well guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.